What up though, good people? So I just clocked out, changed my shirt, so I don't have to worry about guests asking me questions. So I'm just walk around, see what I can see. Wait about a minute before I start walking, see if anybody tunes in. It's hot out here. I say I'm gonna wait a minute, but probably not. So this is something I'm trying out new, where like end of the week, I might go live after work, after my shift, depending on how much energy I had left. And then, yeah, just try to share my world with everybody. Today I'm gonna focus on some birds. So you guys like this, let me know and comment what animals you want to see, and then like next week I'll try to do it. I don't plan on doing this like too long, probably like 5 to 10 minutes each time. But show you around. That's this bird right here. Yeah, I work with reptiles, but I love birds too, man. Like I said, I love dinosaurs. So pretty much anything that's related to dinosaurs, I'm fascinated with. You see a little buddy back there. Make you want to watch Jurassic Park, don't it? I hear it. See? Can you see it way back there? That's that one. And I see one right in there. Picture not showing its true colors, but like, yeah, it actually does look like this picture. That black and blue. Okay, let's see what's over here on this one. Red bill. I saw it bouncing around. See, it's not really a good shot I can get for it with this sun. You can see it. See, and then we have these guys over here. Of course, they will start flying around since I get here. Oh, you gonna come back? Oh, ain't y'all about nothing? Like it literally flew over as soon as I left. Really can't see them on this from this glare from the sun. Now I can see me dying out here. The sweat. Whew. See if this aviary is open right now. A lot of our buildings close at certain times throughout the day for like cleaning purposes. So I don't know if it's open or not, but I'm gonna try to go in the aviary, check out these birds. See if any birds in there, and then I'm gonna go look at this like the new vulture setup that they just built. Plus they have like condors and turkey vultures and I think they said Cenarian vultures. So, what's up, man? Walking around, being a guest for like the last 20 minutes. Now I'm clocked out now. Just walking around. Is it open or did y'all close it? It's open. Yeah, I just want to walk around, see what it look like. I ain't walked over there in so long. All right. So if I walk in this aviary, see what it look like in here. I can't remember the last time I've been here, to be honest with you. Seeing his little butt off, ain't it? Took some notes. So, if y'all want to know facts about birds or anything, I know just the common sense facts, but we learning together right now. So just exploring this right now, checking it out. That's a dope little duck. Brown and blue. Colors go good. Like different species of birds on the wall. So pretty much I worked the full shift today, clocked out, and now I'm walking around as a guest like the last 5 or 10 minutes. Just checking out the birds today. I think I might start doing this like once a week at the end of my shift, walking around the zoo and checking out other animals and stuff, their areas. Today just happened to be birds on my list. Like throw ideas out there what you want to see, then next week I'll go over there. Oh, that's a cool little bird, whatever that was. So this is the aviary for some of our birds here, for one of our aviaries. I think it's called like the Dammaran or something like that. Don't quote me on that just yet. Oh, you're running up to me like you know me. Oh, you lied to me. I didn't know we had this. That's dope. Look like he got some pressing curls on his head. Look like Big Worm off of Friday. Or Snoop from Baby Boy. Check it out. It's crazy the colors that animals have naturally. Male and female. Just strolling around the OKC Zoo. Yeah, just let the Dammaran aviary About to go look at these new cages they finished building. It is hot out here, man. Dang. You being from the north and down here in this heat? Lord have mercy. I sweat 3 perms out already, man. And I think I'm gonna save these videos and just put them on the page after I finish. The lower key feeding. So the guests can go in there and feed lower keys. I put the camera back on me when I start walking towards guests, so they don't think I'm filming them. So that's why I flip back and forth.
Some of them include butterflies.
Alright. Just checking it out. Canopy Restaurant, Stingray Bay. We get to go feed and pet the stingrays. Worked there for many years before I went to the reptile department. We got poor Mason working. Alright. I walk up on this. I think I had fenced off still some, but no, this really look like Jurassic Park. So I'm not sure which one's gonna house which, but this right here was designed and built for our raptors. Man, this don't make me want to go home and watch Jurassic Park. So this will have pretty much our vultures and condors in here. Nice little setup. I don't be a guest and not go behind gates and fence and respect the guards. That's up. And then the old aquarium. Where it houses our sea lions and seals, and they do their sea lions and seal enrichment shows. See if anybody's out here today. Hear them in the background, but not out here. Let's see. So I go to seals, chilling, doing what they do best. Yeah, you can hear all those janitor keys on me. I still got my keys on from work. Well, this is nice, man. I haven't been over here in a few months, to be honest with you. This little walk area, like chill. can view the condors and the turkey vultures and the Canarian vultures when they have, and other birds that's gonna be in there with them. Nice, man. That stuff's so high. Oh, look how high and far it comes too. So most of these birds be able to fly, like just straight over. Can't wait to see that. I'll come back when they're finished and they have the birds in there. But until next time, I'll holla.